Do you know that feeling when you've got a presentation due but just don't have the time? Maybe it's for school, maybe you're at work and need to introduce something quickly, or maybe you're just tired of repeating the same boring steps every single time you open PowerPoint. You want it to look clean, you want it to be done fast, and you don't want stress over formatting slides for hours. That's exactly where today's tool comes in. An AI PowerPoint generator that does the heavy lifting for you so you can focus on the actual content instead of wasting time on slide design. Let me show you how it works. Let's say I want to create a presentation about operating systems and their differences. Open up AIPPT.com. Website links are also in the description. Using this website, you can create PowerPoints with over 200,000 free templates which you can choose from. To start using AI PPT, click on Get Started. Now click on Create an account, then sign up with Google or your email account. Now your account is created and you can generate PowerPoint using AI. When generating new PowerPoint, there are 4 types of imports on AI PPT. So you can generate PowerPoints from conversation with AI. So it's like you have nothing but the title of the PowerPoint you want, you ask the AI, and then it will create the topics, the data, and the explanations for you. You can also import document either from your local file storage or Google Drive. There's also an option for importing from web. So if you're going to make a PowerPoint from the data written on a website, click on Import from Web and then enter the URL of the page. But note that these features are for Pro version. Let's test these one by one. The first one I want to use is the AI conversation. So I will ask that which operating system is better for me, Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, and press enter. Now as you can see, it's brainstorming ideas and creating the outline for me, the theme, table of contents, chapters, and slides. Here you can edit the guidelines. For example, if I want to add another subsection to my Linux slide, I just click on it and press enter. It will create another subsection where you can write the title. By using Tab and Shift plus Tab, you can demote or promote this section so it becomes a separate slide. You can edit the mind map by clicking over here. It will give you a better view of how the slides and subsections are created. If you have the Pro version, you can also download the outline and export the mind map as an image. Now that the outline is edited and created, let's select the templates. As you can see, there are over 200,000 free templates you can choose from, which is awesome because no other PowerPoint AI tool has such a vast library of free templates. So I'm going to choose a template. Let's select the style. You can choose from minimalist, which looks good for a clean layout, professional, which is great for academic situations, cartoon, maybe for kids and younger students, aesthetic, digital, and fun. I think for this topic, digital would be a great option, so I'm going to click on it. Here you can also choose this scenario: business, marketing, education, technology, medical, pitch, or energy. I'm going to click on technology. Now that the scenario is chosen, you can also select which color you like for your presentation. I'm going to go with this one. After that, choose whatever template you like. You'll notice there are lots of AI generated options, but I need something like this one. This one looks good. Now let's generate the PowerPoint. As you can see, it's putting the content onto the template, which looks really amazing. And just like that, your PowerPoint is ready. Now you can edit, share, and download. Let's click on edit and see what we have here. On the left side of the screen, you can see the outline content. Here you can change whatever text you need. Here you can also replace the template if you don't like how the content looks with the current one. Just click on it and then select Apply Theme. Now let's check out what else AI PPT can do. On the left side, you've got option to insert different elements like text, shape, images, tables, and charts. For example, if I want to add my channel logo to this presentation, I'll just select the image, upload my logo, and place it right here. You can also crop it to fit the box. A quick crop, adjust the size, and it fits perfectly. You can do the same with any images you like. Just delete the default ones in the template and replace them with your own. Adding content is super simple too. Just hover over the slide you want, click, and start writing. On the right side, you've got access to AI image generator. You also got edit options for text, shapes, background, images, tables, and charts. If you have the Pro plan, you can import documents from Google Drive or even directly from a web page. Now let's try the web option I said before. I want to search in Google about the topic I want, and now copy the link, paste it here, and hit generate. AI PPT automatically creates a full outline based on the page content. And notice it's not limited to just 10 slides anymore. You can easily end up with a full detailed presentation ready to tweak. And if you want to add some visuals, just head to the AI image option, type in what you want, for example, laptop, choose the model, style, adjust the size, and hit generate. Each image costs credits. It's pretty fair compared to the other AI tools out there. When you're done, you can export your work as a PowerPoint file, PDF, or even just images. Totally editable and super quick. And if you don't need the AI image generator, just upload the image and replace it with the image on template. The free plan gives you 2 AI generations per day with up to 10 slides max. The Plus plan gets you 20 generations per day, up to 20 slides, and 500 image credits monthly. And the Pro plan, which is the most powerful one, gives you 40 generations daily with up to 40 slides and 1000 image credits. It also gives you advanced importing features. So overall, if you're serious about saving time, the Plus or Pro plan is definitely worth it. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave my link in the description and pinned comment. You can literally create full presentation in under 10 minutes with AI PPT. Click on the link below to sign up and get 6 free uses with no credit card required. See you in the next video.